Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi Franklin, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys 6 different advice I wish someone told me when it comes to running a Facebook ad. Yes, trust me, this advice is going to help you if you are an e-commerce and you own a business and you are running a Facebook ad or Instagram ad and your aim is to make sales. This advice I'm going to be sharing with you guide you or help you in order for you to convert your sale more often. These are advice in which I wish that someone told me earlier when I started running Facebook ad, and if you start doing it right now, you will see that you get result out of it. These I have practiced over time and I've seen how it is, and I'm showing you or telling you right now that if you do all of this I'm going to be showing you right now, you will get result out of it. You don't need to make the mistake again. All you just need to do is to follow through and see what you need to do in order for your Facebook ad or your ads on Instagram or Facebook to start converting and start making sales for you. It is no longer a news that Facebook ads are now becoming more and more expensive these days. Yes, Facebook ads are becoming more and more expensive, and sometimes you end up not converting even after you must have spent all the money. Yes, conversion is becoming more and more difficult, but if you target the right audience and you do, I promise that you will get the result you are looking for. But before I go in and start showing you all you need to do, please take 2 seconds of your time, click on the like button. And if it is your first time coming to my channel, my name is Kelechi Franklin. What you just need to do is to click on the subscribe button and the notification button as well, so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop money making videos like this. All you are doing on this channel is to drop tips and tricks and strategies on how you can be able to make money online. So without more ado, let's get started. And the first thing I'm going to be talking about is for you to spend some time understanding your audience. Yes, your ability to know who your audience are, your ability to know what these individuals who you are targeting want, and you knowing where to find these individuals and the kind of offers that you want to make to them. Your ability to do all of these things will determine how best you can be able to serve them and be able to convert your sale and make money for yourself. A lot of people tend to run a Facebook ad or Instagram ad, but at the end of the day it doesn't convert, or they end up targeting the wrong persons, or they end up giving the wrong offer to the wrong individuals who doesn't want the product. Some might want the product, but because of the offer is not appealing to them, they will not want to buy your product. Yes, just imagine that you are running a Facebook ad and you are making an offer to individuals who will buy your product. That, take for instance, you are offering to sell a phone to your audience or people who you are targeting, and you are selling a phone, and the same phone is what other people are selling, and everybody is making the same offer of you getting a charger, an iPhone, and all of that. But you are making an offer to people who want to buy your product, and you are offering them a jotter, or you're offering them a cap. Those are not the offers people are looking for. Just imagine you want to sell to me and you're offering a cap to me, or you're offering a jotter to me. These are something I can literally buy. These are something I can just get on my own. But when you are making an appealing offer that you sell the phone, that you get a power bank, or you get an extra charger, or you get something, or an AirPod, and all of that. All of these things are what you need to look into or check in order for you to see how you can be able to sell your product and convert it to the right people. Yes, you cannot make an offer to the wrong persons and decide to get the result. Or you are running a Facebook ad and you are offering, or you are selling a shoe and you are targeting people who doesn't have leg. You have to target the right set of persons to convert what you are looking at. I don't know whether you guys are understanding what I'm saying. So all I'm trying to say is that you targeting the right audience and getting the right result is what everybody wants. But before you get that, you need to spend some time to understand the people who you are targeting. because many of you people who run Facebook tend to target people only on Facebook. But the truth of the matter is that when you target people on Facebook, a lot of people who are on Facebook sometimes are individuals who are not into what you are selling. Some of them are people who always go to YouTube. Some of them are people who always go to Google. So you need to know where to target them, where to find them. If you are running a Facebook and what you are selling is what individuals who always go to YouTube to look for, you need to go to YouTube and run an ad and leave Facebook. Or the people who you are running an ad, they are on Google searching for things. All you don't need to do is to go to Google and run a Google ad, and you get the result you are looking for. All you just need to do is your understanding of your audience. That is very, very important for you to understand the people who you are offering your product to, and getting to know what they want and the offer you are giving to them. All of these things will determine whether they will buy your product or not. So a good understanding of all of these things will help you to position your ads properly. Yes, a good understanding of all of these things will help you to position your ads properly. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is you studying your competitors' ads and see what they are doing. Yes, I have created a video on this, on how you can be able to spy on your competitors' ads. You can check on the link on the description page, on the description box, so that you can be able to get more insight on how you can be able to do that. When I'm saying you target on your competitors, I'm not saying you should go and copy them or do what they are doing. No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that you need to know what is your competitors are doing. Know how they are running their own Facebook ad. What are some of those questions that people are asking them on their own product or on that same product you want to sell? And what is it that you have that you can give to them to add to that offer that you are getting or you want to offer to this individual? Your ability to do this will determine whether people will buy your product more or not, because you have in general targeted on that particular or tackle that issue that people are looking for. Because if you go to your competitors ad and you discover that people are buying asking about a particular question, and the question they are asking are not being answered, and you have the question, all you just need to do is to run your own ad and then target on it and cover that particular lapses that he or she does not have on their own channel or on their own ad. You will do this and you'll be able to see that you convert a lot of sales for yourself. Yes, your ability to do this will determine how well you can be able to sell and be able to convert your sales for yourself. Yes, don't copy them, but study and improve on your own ad. That's what I just said here. Yeah, just study and then improve on your own ad, and you'll see that you make a lot of sales for yourself. Yes, the marketing angles. Know the marketing angles these individuals are deploying. For you to know all of these things, you need to study and you need to know how they are doing it and how they are converting their own sales and making their own result. Another thing I'll be talking about is you learning how to make an offer. This is as important as anything. There is no offer that cannot make you a lot of money depending on what you are offering. Yes, learning how to make an offer will make you a lot of money when it comes to you running a Facebook ad or an ad. Yes, this will give you the opportunity for you to be able to convince people or to make people to see more reasons to buy your product. Yes, a great offer will make an average ad campaign yield better results, and then it will give you what you are looking for. Everybody is running an ad. In fact, there are a lot of ads running, but you having that ability to convince or to make people to buy your own product, which the offer you are offering them, will determine how much or how far you can be able to give out or make in that particular sale or product that you are giving out. Yes, that is why you need to make your offer irresistible for people. Yes, your ability to make your offer irresistible will make people want to buy or to get your product. Yes, the more irresistible your offer is, the better the result that you get when it comes to advertising. Very, very important. You cannot be running an ad and you are not making an offer. You need to learn all of these things. Learn how to make offers. Learn how to make offers. I cannot emphasize this. This is the most key area when it comes to you running an ad wherever you want to run it, whether on Facebook, YouTube, anywhere. Just make sure or ensure that your offer is something that people are looking for. Yes, as I mentioned earlier, you are selling a phone and you want to make an offer. Make an offer that is irresistible. Offer, you sell a phone and you are offering an AirPod. That is to say that you want this individual to see more reason to get that particular product. Or you are selling a phone, you are offering an extra charger, or you are offering a power bank. All of these things are offers that people are looking for. So depending on your product or depending on what you are selling, you can determine what offer that is best, that you think that is best for the people who will buy your product. Because when people see that your offer is much better than the next person, they will keep on buying from you. Yes, imagine you as a makeup artist, or you sell hair and you are making offers to people that when they buy a hair, that you give them a kit coming together with the hair that they buy. All of these things are offers that people are looking for. Instead of them to go out and start buying kits again, they will get your kit with your hair together. They see more reasons to buy your product more because your offer is irresistible to them. So the best way to run a successful ad campaign is for you to always make an offer. Just try and see how you can be able to do that, and you see that you'll be able to make and convert yourself. And the fourth thing I'll be talking about is always test. Yeah, always test your ad and know what exactly works best for you. Yes, your ability to know what best works for you or in your business will give you the opportunity to use different variables and then compare and know the one that is more appealing or the one that is best converting. That is why you need to know the interests in which you are covering when it comes to you running your ads on Facebook and all of that. When you are running with your interest, you need to consider your gender, age. All of this you need to be considered and know whether are you targeting only the female or you are targeting only the male, or you want to target both genders and all of that. All of these things are on your test. That is what will determine how you can be able to run all of these ads and get it more effectively. It can be in your copy. Probably your statement or what you are writing as a caption is not appealing. You need to change it. Try to see what best copies or best converting copies that can be able to sell and give you the results you are looking for. Is it in your graphics? Test and see which one exactly, whether you need to change the graphics, you need to change the copy, you need to change the image, or whether you need to use videos. All of these things are what you need to know, and know the one that best works and is best converting, and you will be able to use it to get or make a lot of sales for yourself. Your ability to do all of these things will determine how you can be able to channel or to make your offer and get the right result you are looking for. Yes, just try to see which particular one is best converting, and then you use that one and then keep making it more better as you keep on running your ads. Another thing you need to consider when you are running your ads, especially when it comes to you testing, is for you to know your budget. Yeah, your budget sometimes can determine how much sale you can be able to make. Some people will start with a Facebook ad with a low budget, but when they see that the low budget is converting, they can increase it. Yes, that's why I tell a lot of people that the minimum you can use when you are running a Facebook ad is just 3,000 naira. It's not that you cannot use lower than that, but if you want to make a lot of sales each time, you need to use the 3,000 naira or above to get the result you are looking for. I know you might be saying it's a huge amount of money, but at least $5 is something that you can be able to run a Facebook ad and you get the result you are looking for. All you just need to do is to know the right targeting, know your interest, know the best copy that you are to sell or you are to use when it comes to running this ad and get the result you are looking for. Another thing I'll be talking about, which is more important, is you having more than one ads account. Yes, your ability to have more than one ads account will give you the opportunity to keep on running your ads no matter anything that happens. If you have only one Facebook account, a Facebook ad account, you are in a danger and it's a huge risk when it comes to you making sales on Facebook ad. You need to have multiple accounts. This is very, very important, because Facebook restrictions sometimes can make you to suspend your account and you will end up not using that particular one until you appeal or until the appeal is being removed. That is when you can be able to use that particular ads account. But instead of you waiting for them to uplift the appeal, all you just need to do is to use another ads account and continue your ads, and you keep on going. Instead of you waiting for them, you can have as many ads accounts as possible. That is why I say you need to test and see. So you having different ads accounts will give you the opportunity to be able to run your Facebook ad. Even when Facebook bring their policies and restrictions and all of that, you will still be running your ad with another ads account until it is being lifted and all of that. That's why I say that you need to have multiple ads accounts, so that whenever Facebook restricts any of your account, you appeal and move to the next one. That is just as simple as that, because they will definitely restrict you. As far as you are running an ad on Facebook, they will definitely restrict you, and you want to go on instead of wasting much time and waiting for them to uplift what they have done on your ads account. The next thing you need to check, or you need to consider, you need to look very well into, is you always retarget. This is the most easiest or the most simplest task, or the best part of it, because retargeting is the cheapest and is highly profitable, because you are targeting the people who must have seen your product before or who must have bought your product before. You don't need stress to start convincing this individual. These individuals have bought your product over time and they are seeing your ads again. They will want to buy your product again. That is why when you are creating your ads campaign, you can get your custom audience, or you create and get what you are looking for. A lot of people use custom audience who they have targeted before and duplicate it and then target them again, and they get their sales or what they are looking for, because you using a custom audience will help you to reach people who have bought your product before, and you show them your new product and improve your offers, and they will want to buy your product. And you don't need stress. Even with 1,000 naira, you can be able to make a lot of sales on this. I'm not saying you should use 1,000 naira, but with 1,000 naira, you can be able to target these individuals again, and you convert a lot of sales for yourself. But you need to target, always retarget. Don't think that these individuals do not want your offer again. They want to skip on seeing your offer. You don't have to stress yourself on this. It gives you the opportunity to sell to them over and over and over again. This is the best part of it. That is why if you do the right way, or you channel it on the right way, you'll be able to get the result you are looking for. So that is it, guys. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give this video a like so that more people can be able to see this video. And don't forget to go to the comment section, type Facebook ad, let us create an algorithm, and don't forget to share as well, and don't forget to subscribe. If it's your first time, please do me a favor by subscribing and clicking on the notification button as well, so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop money making videos like this. See you on my next video. Peace.